Now that you understand what hypnosis and NLP is, I'm sure you are wondering how you can apply this in different areas of your life. In fact, some of you may have already started figuring out how learning hypnosis and NLP can really benefit you. So, here are the details of where you can apply it, but what I'm telling you are simply samples because the fields are so broad that you can probably apply it in every area of your life. But if I were to stick to training programs only right now, you can use the hypnotic and NLP processes to engage your client in a highly effective manner. You can actually help them get into a highly receptive state where you can also teach them techniques with which they are able to manage their thoughts, manage their emotions, which enables them to apply the knowledge, these skills that they are learning from your training programs in a very natural, in a very effective way in their life. Not just this, the understanding that you get about the human behavior, about how the mind works, how the mind influences the human behavior, means that you will be able to apply these techniques for effective training need analysis, for being able to devise a content in a way in which it actually delivers the end objective effectively. The presentations that you create will be highly effective, and not just that, your manner of delivery will be so engaging, so exciting, that people would not just want to listen to you, but they may also want to do what you're asking them to do more naturally, more effectively. I'm sure you can understand the benefits that you will derive once you're able to achieve all of these things with your training programs. Apart from this, if you have certain challenges in your personal life which is stopping you from becoming a very effective trainer, for example, if you lack the ability to communicate with people effectively, if you lack certain confidence, if you feel that you're not able to focus and concentrate, or if you feel that you have a tendency to procrastinate things, you will be able to work with all of those things with yourself in a highly effective manner. Plus, the content that you learn from an NLP and a hypnosis program is so broad that you could simply use that content to be able to create your own training programs. You may be able to create training programs with respect to effective communication, with respect to effective relationship building, team building. You get a lot of content for helping people manage their thoughts, manage their emotions, for them to be able to develop confidence. So basically, any behavioral training program that you want to conduct in a way in which it's effective, the content that you acquire from an NLP and a hypnosis program is good enough for you to be able to conduct all of these programs, and conduct these programs in a way in which you'll probably be a lot more effective than most people who are conducting these programs. Obviously, what I'm expecting you to do is not just learn NLP, not just learn hypnosis, but learn them in a way in which you can integrate them together. Because the real power of hypnosis and NLP comes from there, that you're able to integrate these fields, and once you understand hypnosis, integrate other fields into these concepts, into these techniques also. Apart from this, one of the other areas where I would suggest that you can apply hypnosis and NLP is in terms of your conversations. Conversations not just in your training programs, but as a part of your day-to-day life. And in the next video, I'm actually going to talk about certain principles from conversational hypnosis that are applied in training programs so that you can sell the training programs more effectively. Which means you can not just create engaging content from hypnosis and NLP, but you can also create your sales pitch, your marketing pitch, the way you design your website. All of that can get influenced by understanding techniques, concepts from hypnosis and NLP.